I was done. Set out the rest of that range.
Just put the gun on it. That's because in the staff meeting when we were playing with it, they have more rounds on this rolling thunder than they've ever had.
So I was like, at like 100, I was like,
It was all done already. There was a look, because I sniffed through all.
Quick shot, project.
There was a guy, they're walking around going, that's not take your mask off. I dare you.
Kill.
Right, bolt right in the rear.
Quick, quick, quick!
First target. Front row, center tank.
Left 5! Record. Ride the boat home.
In there. Clear.
We've got a lot of ammo left over.
Hit!
Back to 5-6 times.
Of LAD out here integrating with 10th Marines with artillery is we're looking forward to that next threat. The days of counterinsurgency that we've been fighting,
again, those are days past, looking to the next enemy and what he's going to bring to the fight, what he's going to bear against us. With that being said, we need to be able to integrate with our brethren in GCE, so while they're conducting their fires, doing that surface-to-surface weapons fires, we can provide them air defense against their threats, most notably those UAVs and those rotary aircraft, actually looking for those gun lines to destroy those assets. So by providing that surface-to-air weapons fire, we can ensure that the overall mission is accomplished. Currently, we're located on range 44 at Fort Bragg. It's a multi-purpose range, conducting that medium machine gun shoot with the 240 and that heavy machine gun with that 50 cal, engaging targets at unknown distances. Proficiency in the crew serve weapons is a TNR event for our Marines. They need to be able to engage targets with those crew serve weapons in the event of the aerial threat or ground threat. Of those two weapon systems, my favorite is the M240. Very accurate. It's a high rate of fire. It's very, very easy to maintain as opposed to the 50 cal machine guns. Again, the main purpose that we're out here is that integration. Putting that ground comm element and that air comm element together, so they have seamless communication between the two, and they're able to talk to one another. They're able to move forward and get inside the enemy's OODA loop to move faster, to act faster, ultimately to shoot, move, communicate. That's what we're looking at. All that is necessary for evil to triumph is for good men to do nothing. It's by Edmund Burke. I think it fully embodies the Marine Corps concept of being ready, because all the enemy needs is for someone to not interfere. And if you have good men, good Marines, they're ready at a moment's notice to interdict, and we'll be able to keep our country safe.